Hello guys, we have a new recipe for you. It's the almond milk. So easy, so fast, you won't believe that. So, let's start with the almond. You put in the blender here with 1 liter of water. So it's just 1 cup. Don't forget to let this almond soak in the water for 8 hours at least. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Nothing more. If you want, as a sweetener, you can add some dates too, but I do this way, and you can try. Okay, after 2 minutes blending, you can just use a strainer. I prefer this clove strainer. So, that's it. Look at this milk. Foamy and creamy almond milk. Nothing is better than this. You can drink pure like this, or add some sugar if you want, chocolate powder, like how you do, or even drink it with a coffee. And this waste you can use for cookies. It's very rich in protein. So you can do a cookie, you can do a cake, whatever you want. Don't waste that. You can use everything. I'll add my chocolate powder here and stir. And that's it. You can have for breakfast or dinner, whatever you want. It's very good. You can also drink pure like this, like I told you, and whatever you want, doesn't matter. What matters is that you didn't harm any animals. It's a vegan milk, full of protein, full of good things, and that's it. I see you next week in the new TVegano. Bye bye.